Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use iCloud account in App Store on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use your same account in your App Store and iCloud, so let's see how can you easily do that. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your App Store here, tap on your Apple ID in the top right corner, and then tap on sign in with your account and your account will be signed in. So whenever you try to install any app from here, so you'll get an option that you have to sign in to complete your purchase. So you can directly sign in using your app store, or you can go back, open your settings app, tap on your Apple ID here or your iCloud account here, just scroll down and look for the media and purchases, select that, and then you'll get the option of set up media and purchases ads, and after that you'll get your Apple ID or account name here. You have to simply tap on this continue option. Once you have done, it will take a moment to load and then it will be set it up. Just wait for this loading. You have to, if you get any issue in this loading, so you have to try to connect with the strongest network connection, or if you connected to any VPNs, try to disconnect with that. So once you have done, open your app store now, or you can try to relaunch your app store and then tap on your profile option in the top right corner. And here you can see that I have successfully logged into my Apple ID. Now you can install anything from here which you want. So in this way, you can easily use your iCloud account in your App Store on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.